Continuing on, CNC Group Break number 3215. We're under the 1314 Lord Stanley's mug and 1213 in the game Ultimate. Alright. We've got a history of the Lord Stanley's mug for the Ottawa Senators, Frank Nibor. Base cards for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Ted Kennedy. For the Montreal Canadiens, Yvon Cornway. For the Montreal Canadiens, Guy Lafleur. For the Detroit Red Wings, Sid Abel. For the Montreal Canadiens, Serge Savard. For the Calgary Flames, Lanny. And we got a Cup Rivals dual jersey silver, which will be random between the Red Wings and Flyers, Steve Yzerman, Eric Lindros. We've got a Lord Stanley's mugshot jersey silver for the Dallas Stars, Mike Modano. We've got a Cup record game used jersey silver for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Autograph for the Montreal Canadiens, Dickie Moore. And for the New York Islanders, Denny Potvin. And our redemption is a Decades triple jersey silver for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Red Kelly, Dave Keon, and Frank Mahovlich. Dave Keon, Red Kelly, Frank Mahovlich. Now on to the in the game Ultimate. Oh, are you kidding me? Sorry, so 1 sec to those watching on YouTube. Slight delay here. Breaker was cut out again. So I'm going to wait for that to come back. Are we back now? We're back. Alright, anyways, so we've got a base silver numbered 6 of 30 for the Florida Panthers, Pavel Bure. We've got a Future Stars auto silver numbered 1 of 24 for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov. 24 for the Panthers, Alex Barkov. And we've got a Days Gone By quad memorabilia silver numbered 18 of 24, which will be randomed between the Hawks, Canadiens, Leafs, and Canadiens. Stan Mikita, Charlie Hodge, Bobby Bond, and Jean Beliveau. 24. Alright, coming up next, Artifacts and Showcase.